Hello, this is Jay Jenkins with Pearson Education. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the Pearson eText Enhanced version that you can use and your students can purchase. So once you go to the website for the Pearson Enhanced eText, you will then sign in. If it's your first time, you would register and choose the higher education links, either for students or instructors. Once inside the course, you would search for the content you are looking for. And I'm going to go ahead and just scroll down after you search. You'll find the textbook. And then once you get to your textbook, you just click on it. Once you see the textbook in front of you, and you'll see pages here, what you'll want to do is click on the textbook or the area. So if you just click on any area, once you click on it, you'll be right inside of the textbook. And what you want to do is, those are just samples of the textbook and sort of images. What you'll want to do is click Launch the eText. And once you launch the eText, you'll actually be inside the enhanced version of the eText. And from there, you'll have different options. There's a TOC on the left-hand side that will show up that you can get to. And then there's also a way for you to get to different pages. So if you're trying to get to page 496, for instance, if you put 496 and then hit enter, that will bring you to that particular area. You can also bookmark that once you're there. You can also search as well. And then again, we can also go back to the menu, and if you are searching for a different area of the book, you can expand the TOC to go to a specific area, such as this. And then you can also use the arrows at the very top once you get here to go from page to page. And you can also change the settings so that the font will show up different sizes. Occasionally you will come across the enhanced features of the textbook, which are things like check your understanding. So if we click on this, it would actually take a student here so they can work on putting in answers showing whether or not they understand the content. And they could print this and bring it into class, or they could submit it for feedback. The check your understanding might open in a new browser tab, so you would just go back to the other browser tab that has the eText to continue working in the eText and working through the content. And over on the menu, the TOC, you will also find, if you scroll down, the videos and interactive resources. And it's going to be by chapter. So if you open up chapter 1 and you're looking for the videos, you could just click on it and it will bring you directly to the video example. And again, we would click on the video example, and that would launch the video example. And once you're done watching this particular video,
in our district training, I asked teachers to reflect on their own
you would just close out the X, and that would bring us right back to the textbook. Again, this is how you can use the Pearson Enhanced version eText. I hope this is helpful, and have a great day.